I say this to you, the dinosaurs are still alive, you will not believe it. But you have to believe this because this is real and you are watching the dinosaurs every time. But you can't understand that what are they? How are they dinosaurs? So today we are going to solve this topic only. So without wasting time, let's start the video. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like the video, like, comment, share and tell your suggestion in the comment box. So let's start without wasting time. Dinosaurs are, what you know about dinosaurs? Dinosaurs basic things are, they are large creatures that survive on earth millions of years ago and they extinct due to a crash of asteroid or meteorite to the earth, and due to the crash many species of dinosaur extinct, but not the whole dinosaur species. Some species were able to survive, like due to that thing our mammals and from what we are now evolved and become human beings, means mammals live under small soil, live under burrows like the rabbits, because of the dinosaurs, and also because of that because of that crash, and because they live under the soil, they had no problem to survive under the soil, because that time everything was covered with the soil, but dinosaurs live on the land, not inside the soil, so they have a difficulty and they were not able to survive anymore. So this topic is not ours. Our topic is, are dinosaurs alive today also? Yes, dinosaurs are alive today also. You will be shocked with my answer. How? You can ask me that what fact it in how dinosaurs are today alive. They are extinct of at that time only, but it is the truth that they are or not extinct fully. That all the species have not extinct. They are still alive and living like us only. And in front of us, you are watching that, feeling that, and yes, you are also interacting with that. Means, suppose you go and sit on in a bench or in a park. Then you see around, there are many trees, there are many benches, there are many children playing there are many rides like that, and there are also dinosaurs, but you can't recognize it. Yes, the birds are the dinosaurs. You will be shocked with my answer, but this is the real. Dinosaurs are really the birds currently. Means, that time the dinosaurs were very big. I will not say the T-Rex and Spinosaurus, Allosaurus, Stegosaurus. These type of dinosaurs still alive because they extinct that time only. Like we survive under the soil, like that only the bird type dinosaurs, not under the soil but in the air, they were able to survive. Some of the species, not all I am saying, because some researchers and some fossils have told these things. Means, some fossils have also found that some dinosaurs like today's ostriches and emu, they all can't fly but they have feathers. And there are also some type of dinosaur, they can fly because they have hollow bones and light body mass, so they can fly like today's. Now you will tell they are also extinct, how they can survive today? Yes, today your question I know. They also evolved. Evolving means not only growing, they are now evolved and become the birds. Means, with the time everything changes, we all know. Like from the mammals, we are becoming a humans. Means like hominins, we have become a human. Like that only, they have created from dinosaurs, because some species on Earth would live on, or how the other creatures will be now. Means, if suppose there is no there is no cocoa, so how will be there chocolate? If the chocolate you eat, if there is no cocoa in the world, so how will you eat chocolate? So first the cocoa is important, then the chocolate can be made. So like this only, first the dinosaur species, some species are required, then you can see today's animals. So hope you like the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to get more interesting and mind-blowing facts that you have never heard or listened from anyone or anywhere. So hope you like the video. How many times I will tell? Yeah. So bye. I will be here with my new videos. Till then, see my other videos. Goodbye and subscribe and press the bell icon. I am telling again to get new facts because I am here with my new facts every time or every day.